Hey, welcome to Foodie Checkpoint again. Yes, today I've got something very special for you from Jollibee. Yeah, it's this Jollibee spicy chicken sandwich. Oh no, it's just so huge, I think. Let's look at this thing here. Wow, it's so green and it's so spicy. It's going to be a spicy chicken patty. Below here, it's really big. It's really big. Okay, let me try to get that into my hands here. It's a chicken sandwich, but look at how big this is. They're really big, I would say. Yes, and the chicken, you can see here, it's nicely deep fried and it's supposed to be spicy. There's a kind of sauce there as well. Yeah, and yeah, it's the vegetable here kind of like sticking up. Very nice mayonnaise sauce there. Yep. And yeah, the sesame seed bun. Oh, I can feel a bit of spiciness there already kicking in. Have not even got to the chicken yet, but yeah, let's see. Let's give a bite into this. Wow. It's spicy. It's like eating spicy chicken and a burger. That's the feeling I get. Wow. Not too spicy, I would say, but it meets your spicy requirements. That spicy, juicy, crunchy taste in this. And yeah, with that salad leaf and that mayonnaise. Wow, but this is really special sauce. Is there any cheese? No, there's no cheese in it. Yeah. And that well, you see sesame seed buns everywhere, but this is really fresh. You can see here. There you go. I just like that sauce that's being poured on it. It gives you that creamy feeling, yeah? So it's that spicy, creamy hybrid. Just look at how beautiful this spicy chicken sandwich is. Wow, really great. And the chicken is just cooked to perfection. As it says, it's a spicy chicken sandwich, but it's just one full meal by itself. So it's Jollibee, yeah. Jollibee spicy chicken sandwich, yeah. Famous, I think it started as an American chain. Famous all over the world right now, yeah. Never knew it would taste this great. Like I said earlier, you know, it's like eating chicken pieces with burger together. That's how it is. It's a combo. Out of 10, well, I can comfortably even give 8.5 out of 10 for this spicy chicken sandwich, yeah? So, hope you really like this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to Foodie Checkpoint, make sure you share this video. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video.